Hey everybody, today we're going to try the Wendy's Junior Baconator, or Son of Baconator, or whatever they call it. But here we are with that one. Here's the bag, obviously, with all the Wendy's look to it, designs and what have you. Now we'll open her up. And obviously, we're going to grab the straw. And we're going to pop it into the cherry Coke. That's not bad. And now we're going to look at the fries real quick. There's the fry. There's the back with the logo on it. And these, they have the skins on them, and they're cooked just as they are, if you will. But I prefer the old ones. They were thicker. They seem to have a real good crunch, and then once you cut into or chewed into the to the center, they were soft, almost like steakhouse French fries. But let's give this a shot real quick. Ooh, super salty. Wow. But they are good, especially with the added skins. I'm going to have to limit my my intake on the salt, even though I believe the burger has a tremendous amount of salt in it. Okay. Grab the old napkin. Now we get down to the Junior Baconator or Son of Baconator, or whatever they so desire to call it, I forget. And we'll open her up. Here is the initial appearance of the burger. It has what appears to be some type of gloss on top of the bun. And then as you open it up, it definitely has mayonnaise, bacon, 2 patties, and some ketchup. I'm not sure if there's any mustard on it. And there's cheese. Let's look at the. We can't open the bottom. But that is. Let me try to pick this up here. This is the Baconator. It's not exactly pretty like in the commercials or on advertisements. Let me grab this thing once again, and we'll take a bite. Grab a napkin. This is my first time buying a Baconator in any form or fashion from Wendy's. I've kind of neglected it over the years once they first introduced it. But the burger is, it's well done. It's very good, and the bacon is very crispy on this. I'll give it another shot, and then I'll give you the internal look here. And there we have a cross section of what it looks like on the inside. I would, even though I'm having a bit of difficulty health-wise, this is a very good burger. It's typically something, you try to make at home, but it doesn't have the restaurant quality to it, even though it's tremendously outrageous in salt content. With the combination of the burgers the cheese, the bacon, the mayonnaise, the ketchup. Like I said, I don't know if it has any mustard on it. It's just on the basis that I couldn't lift up the bottom or remove the bottom to take a look. But on top it was ketchup and mayonnaise. This is an awesome burger. I'm going to give it 2 thumbs up. And this is it for the video. Let me get a drink real quick. Like and subscribe, share with your friends, and I'll see you next time. Take care.